Hi guys, my name is Anton Voronjuk. Today, in our email marketing course, me and the St. Paul's Academy will share some valuable insights with you. I'm the head of the Internet Marketing Academy Web Promo Experts, and I'm a co-owner of Web Promo Agency. I'm delighted to welcome you to my email marketing course. Today we will figure out how to build an email marketing system and determine the correct indicators that measure success. What we will cover in detail in this course. Email marketing is one of the most effective tools that exist for repeat customer communication. It solves many tasks such as getting feedback, repeating sales, building loyalty, and delivering content to the consumer. In our email marketing course, I will be teaching you about the capabilities of email marketing services and how you can use them to reach your audience and get a higher retention rate. Together, we will build a complete email marketing funnel that will allow you to measure the efficiency of each email. We will move from open rates and click rates to sales and repeat sales. Why should you trust us to teach you about email marketing? We have over 12 years of experience in developing digital marketing campaigns. Our portfolio consists of more than 1,000 small and mid-sized businesses. Some of our clients include Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, BNP Paribas, Bayer, Sanofi, Vodafone, the United Nations, and the OSCE. St. Paul's has unmatched expertise in email marketing. They provide digital marketing features that can help accelerate sales and grow your business online. St. Paul's helps you with email marketing, chatbots for WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. You can easily use automation tools, workflows, and can make your customers happier. Emails are an essential part of any digital marketing campaign because 92% of adults have an email account and 61% of email users prefer to be contacted by email. According to Statista.com, there were more than 320 billion emails sent in 2021. Experts are expecting this number to grow tremendously over the next few years. There are many advantages to using email marketing. The main three are cost, directness, and longevity. Let's talk about cost first. Email marketing is extremely cheap. In fact, it is the cheapest direct marketing tool, even more so than push notifications and SMS notification. It's even cheaper than using Google Ads or Facebook Ads. The second advantage of email marketing is its directness. You can contact an existing client on a personal level and address them using information from your CRM system. Such information could include the interest, name, or location. The third advantage of email marketing is longevity or customer loyalty. By communicating with your customer on a regular basis, you will build rapport and trust with them over time. When your business has a lot of customer loyalty, a portion of your clients will turn into great brand advocates. This could be something as simple as leaving a review. To have a successful email marketing campaign, you must be able to conduct an email marketing competitive analysis. I have prepared an email marketing checklist for you. This checklist will help you organize your email marketing strategy. After you complete this course, you will be able to fill in this checklist with all the necessary information. One task on the checklist is doing a competitive analysis. A competitive analysis will show how you stack up with your competitors. Another task on the checklist will require you to analyze your competitors' mailing history. In this course, I will be showing you specific tools that you can use to examine your competitors' emails. Another checklist task requires you to check your domain spam history. In this course, I will show you how to use the best domain spam history tool, Google Postmaster. You can't do email marketing without a consumer database. That is why we have a task on our checklist about how to form a customer database. Next, we have a task that makes sure that you are following GDPR guidelines. Violating GDPR guidelines is a serious offense. For that reason, I will cover GDPR in great detail later in this course. First impressions are everything. That's why we have a task about welcome letters and trigger chains. The next task is creating promotional emails. Promotional emails are a big part of email marketing. By the time you are finished with this course, you will be able to construct effective promotional emails. Now you need to analyze open rates and click rates. These metrics are important because they let us know how effective our email marketing is. Another task you have to complete is segmenting your audience. Segmenting your audience is essential because it allows you to market to people who are interested in what you are selling. We will cover segmentation in depth later in the course. Marketing is useless if you don't know how to track your sales. Together, we will briefly go over the Google Analytics interface to see how to track sales from our emails. In order to know where your traffic is coming, you have to know to mark your links. That is why one of your checklist tasks will be how to mark your links in URL Builder. In a separate tab, I have prepared an email marketing calendar. This calendar will help you organize your email delivery schedule. To help mark your links in the URL Builder tab, you will have a checklist of UTM parameters. To start your competitive analysis, please go to similarweb.com. On this website, we can analyze your competitors' websites. I will use udemy.com for this example. Once you have entered the website you wish to analyze, the next step is to find how much traffic they are getting from their email marketing. As you can see here, Udemy gets about 3% of its traffic from email marketing. That equates to about 3.5 million visits. Is 3% really enough to make a difference? On one hand, the amount of traffic from email marketing doesn't compare to social media marketing traffic or search engine traffic. But at the same time, we have to remember that social media marketing and search engine traffic are coming from acquisition sources and email marketing traffic comes from customer retention. When using email marketing, we are communicating with people who already know us, want to get information from us, and want to buy from us. This traffic source is really important, and we have to understand how to build the right communication using email marketing, push messages, SMS, etc. All these tools are considered direct marketing. Although the traffic generated from email marketing doesn't compare to referral, search, and social media traffic, its ability to communicate with existing clients is invaluable. As a result, the conversion rates of email marketing are very high. Let's check our website, webpromoexperts.net, in SimilarWeb. Email marketing makes up 5% of our total traffic. We have about 5,000 visits a month. SimilarWeb is a great way to check the email marketing traffic of your website and your competitors. It will also help you build accurate traffic predictions. SimilarWeb gives us a big picture and general overview of total traffic. Email marketing is a part of digital marketing strategy, and if you recall this slide here, you'll know we have 7 strategic questions. Before launching any digital marketing like search engine optimization, social media marketing, paid advertising, or email marketing, we need to start with a competitive analysis to study what tools your competitors already use. With SimilarWeb, we can analyze the percentage of traffic or amount of traffic from email marketing. SimilarWeb is not the only tool you can use to analyze your competitors. There are a lot of other tools out there that can give you a deep look into your competitors' digital marketing strategies. If we need to do a deep dive into our competitors' email marketing strategy, we need tools like Mailcharts.com. Mailcharts has a free version and a paid version. I will show you the free version with limited tools. Let's see what do we have here. The most valuable thing that we have is the homepage. Here we can find categories and groups of the most popular topics. You can find things related to health and fitness, FMCG, tech services, and tourism. So, by searching this big library of emails, you can find excellent inspiration topics for your brand. Let's examine udemy.com using this service. According to mailcharts.com database, there are over 2,500 emails that have been sent by udemy.com. We can also see that there have been 10 customer journeys. Sending behavior can also be analyzed. According to the data, Udemy sends on average 2 emails per week. In the paid version, it is possible to even see when Udemy likes to send its emails. Subject lines are another great advantage of using mailcharts.com. Subject lines are the length of the subject text within each email. As we can see here, Udemy on average uses 42 characters for their subject lines. Knowing the most popular subjects is vital for email marketing. Using MailCharts, you can find the most popular subjects. These are Udemy's most popular subjects. Discover courses from real-world experts. We've got some new courses recommendations for you. In the mood for something new? 24-hour flash sale. Sales end today. Another advantage of using MailCharts.com is the ability to analyze how often companies promote through email. The average Udemy promotion rate is 5%. Benchmarks and calendars can also be analyzed. Analyzing benchmarks allows you to see how you are currently stacking up with your competitors, and calendars let you know when they are sending out email content. Use mailchats.com to find valuable information about competitor emails and their customer's journey. This is Colgate's email marketing strategy. Let's check what Colgate is sending out in their users. Here you can see Colgate's profile and the latest emails Colgate has sent to their customers. In the free version, we only have access to several emails, but we at least know they have sent out more than 100 emails. Let's view one of these emails. In the emails, they talk about their products or give useful advice on how to take care of your teeth and make your smile brighter. MailChart is the first tool you should learn how to use when you want to know about your competitors' email marketing strategy. Find your competitors and see what messages they send to customers. Study their sending behavior. Find out how often and what days of the week they send emails. For example, Colgate is not very active and sends one email per week. You can also check their subject lines. If you are interested in finding out more information about their promotions, click on Promotions. In the Promotion section, you can view data like the average promotion rate. For example, if they had a promotion in the past like a Black Friday or a New Year sale, all that information will be listed here. Benchmarks are also useful metrics you can track using MailCharts. You can see the performance of Colgate in comparison with the other competitors. In this section, you can see how often Colgate sent emails per week compared to competitors. The MailChart calendar allows you to see which day and time Colgate sends email. This is very important information for your content plan because it helps build your own email marketing calendar. Okay, let's pause for a second. Please message me about how I can make my course better. You can write a personal message to me or express your concerns in the Q&A section.